Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this news program, The Night with uh, Kevin to be two kings about this month reliving Dixon and high pink in Albert June's named by Steve Campaigns Lens Star. Last week there was studies is Falcons and this part of the studios destined out this fertile mouth deleting sons food circled these teeth A-L-T-E-A plans for and problem is kissing it sounds they tunes tense went to case ninker see but things could or the negative for um bloodspot see sleuth chief chief seals in days death it was they died and two recent activities and they spots little days let the platform problem was solved and sales date test choose then this not look choose needs days displays for these activities and choose needs 2, 3, and 4 what really tended days was or fox the days and did the month month